Arpana Dies and Mould Industries started in 2007 with the help of conventional machines to cater automobile industry. In 2009, I realized that we will not achieve our goal with the help of conventional machines. Then I have taken a decision to go further sophisticated machine with the CNC manufacturing. And in 2009, purchased one number of TM1 from Haas machine tools. And after that, in 2010, also one machine added. Gradually, year by year, we have added so many machines. And right now, out of 12 machines, we have 11 numbers of machine from Haas and 2 numbers of machine is coming in October 2024. Why we have gone with the Haas? Because during our qualification period also, I have seen the Haas machines. I have seen the performance of the machine, quality and precise machining being achieved by Haas machines. So we decided to purchase only Haas machine. And when I started my work with the Haas machine, I realized that whatever thinking was mine, it was correct. Right now we have TM1, TM2, VF2, VF2YT, VF3, VM3 mold making machine, a specialized mold making machine is VM3. That machine is also with us. All machines are engaged in manufacturing of high pressure die casting dies and gravity die casting. If we compare Haas machine tools with the others, repeatability is good in this machine. Surface finish is good. Look at this part. This is rack housing and it is being used in steering assembly. And for producing this part, earlier it was the die was making broad. Nobody was making these dies in India. We have got an opportunity to produce this die in India, and in this die there is 6 number of pores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of pores are there. The die which we have made on Haas machine with the good quality and able to produce this die on Haas machine, and right now this die is under production at customer. Trust with the Haas machine. We have a confidence that the machine will produce quality, and when we produce quality, our customer will get satisfied and we will get growth. In 2007, our turnover was only 14 lakhs. In 2009, when we have purchased VMC from Haas, that time our turnover was approximately 1 crore. And right now, in last financial year, our turnover was 12 crore. If from 1 crore to 12 crore in only tool making segment, if we have achieved the growth, in that Phillips machine tools has played a very crucial role. We are getting a very good, extraordinary after-sale service support from the Phillips machine tools, and I appreciate their team members for supporting us day and night.